morning children. How are you all? I hope you all are safe at home. So children, how many vowels are there? Yes, there are 5 vowels. What are they? A, E, I, O and U. So these are the 5 vowels and they have 2 sounds. Every vowel has 2 sounds and we have already learnt about the short vowel A and long vowel A. So do you want to listen to a story? Come, let's hear this story.
There were 2 men, Ben and Ken. Ben had a red hen. The hen laid 10 eggs every day. One day, Ben got wet in the rain, so he hung his clothes using the pegs. Ken had a pet dog. Its name was Dell. One day, Dell got hurt on his leg, so Ken took him to the vet. One day, Ben went to meet Ken on a jet. He gave him a pen. They both were very tired, so they went to bed to take some rest. So children, let's identify the short E sound words, that is the E sound words. M, E, N, men. B, E, N, ben. K, E, N, ken. R, E, d, red. H, E, N, hen. T, E, N, ten. E, g, egg. W, E, t, wet. P, E, g, peg. D, E, l, del. L, E, g, leg. P, E, t, pet. W, E, t, wet. J, E, t, jet. P, E, n, pen. B, E, d, bed. So these were the short E sound words, that is E sound words.
So children, did you like the story? I hope you all liked it. It has so many words of short vowel E sound, that is E sound. It had words of E sound. So I hope you will practice them at home. Bye for now. Thank you.